I'm Chris Walker, Vice President of Product Development here at ELAC, and we're here at ISE 2019 here in Amsterdam. And we're here at the show this year showing off our latest line of custom installation products. And one of the stars of that is our new 3.1 channel in-wall, on-wall, or TV mountable amplifier. The idea behind this product is that it's a complete endpoint solution for custom installations, where your customer would have a television set, some speakers, but wants to have a complete sound system without having to have a lot of footprint by taking from electronics. So this small amplifier here actually is a 3-channel amplifier. It's 3 by 40 watts or 2 by 60. It'll drive a left speaker, a center speaker, and a right speaker, along with a subwoofer output. So you can get a true 3.1 output. We built in Dolby Digital decoding, so when you take the output from your television set, your optical output, directly into this device, it'll decode Dolby Digital, give you a true 3.1 experience, so your dialogue is perfect, as well as your bass extension. We have a set of analog inputs on it as well, so you can hook up another source to it, whether it be a CD player. We're using our Discovery Connect, which adds streaming capability to it as well, so I can not only enjoy content from the television or my Blu-ray display or devices connected to the TV, but also stream content from Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, AirPlay, Discovery, or Roon-based content. The device itself has an Ethernet port, which allows it to be controlled by third-party control systems such as Control4, Crestron, AMX, Savant, URC. Just about anybody out there, we make that API available to everybody. But the idea of being able to complete endpoint solution that gives you a tremendously good theater experience by taking up zero footprint, like we have with our new on-wall speakers or a passive soundbar. There's nothing really like it on the market right now. It'll be available in March at $599.